5 Laws of Wealth, Secrets of Investing Success Revealed. The Laws of Wealth. Psychologist and behavioral finance expert Dr. Daniel Crosby shares actionable advice, based on research, on ways to invest and manage your wealth. Here are a few investing tips Dr. Crosby shares. 1. Investors need to manage their emotions. If the investment opportunity sounds exciting, it's probably a bad idea. Emotion impacts our perception of everything, including time, risk and appropriate price. An excited investor is an impatient investor, and an impatient investor is a broke investor. 2. Diversifying your financial portfolio is a key way to deal with market uncertainty. No one knows which asset classes will do well at any given time, and diversification is the only logical response to such uncertainty. In fact, a broad diversification and rebalancing have been shown to add 0.5 percentage point of performance per year. 3. Forecasting is for weathermen. Nobody can predict the future on how stocks will perform. Our brains long for forecasts. But we must scrupulously avoid conjecture about the future, and rely on systems rather than biased human judgment, and be diversified enough to show appropriate humility. We can't know everything. 4. Invest to reach financial goals that matter to you. Goal-based investing will help you stay the course. Research shows that goal-based investors are more likely to stay the course during tough times and even save at higher rates. Worry less about the economy and more about your economy. 5. Investors need an advisor who will coach financial behaviors. You can't do this alone. Receiving good financial advice pays a dividend that builds both wealth and confidence. Vanguard's Advisors Alpha study shows that working with an advisor provides around 3 percentage points of outperformance, and that fully half that value comes from behavioral coaching. Many things may sound repetitive, but it's necessary to remind yourself while investing because, as humans, we tend to forget, and for more investing content, subscribe.